Happy St. Patrick's Day. Let's head to the kitchen in Kitchener to see what our friend Chef D is cooking up for us. Good morning.
Hey, good morning, Bob. But first, I got a new toy. I got a new Braun coffee maker here. I'm going to turn it on. No more pucks, Bob. This you can use your coffee from your favorite coffee shop, put it in and set it, and away you go. And then we're going to make an Irish coffee because, you know, it's somewhere in the world it's 10 o'clock, right?
Absolutely. Okay, should we start with coffee?
Coffee's on. Yeah, I put them, there's a filter in here, and away we go, distilled water, away we go. So an Irish theme today. So I thought, why don't we do something really cool with some corned beef and some cabbage? So we're going to get that started.
Okay.
I got my pan on back here. I'm going to take 3 tablespoons of clarified butter.
Just to clarify.
Put that in. And then I'm going to turn my heat up. Now, I have already shredded cabbage. So I'm just going to let this warm up and melt. And then we're going to add the cabbage. I put a little bit of garlic, already chopped garlic, into the cabbage so that it's already done and ready to go. We're going to hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper. I have some Great Pillars corned beef. Better try some just to make sure it's okay. That's really good.
I wish I could be one of your taste. I wish you were in our studio so I could be your taste tester.
You know, one day we're going to get back there real soon. One day, I promise.
Yeah, we're excited about that. And we're excited about this weather, too. You must be excited about cooking on patios.
Brother. Exactly. It's going to be amazing today. So in goes our cabbage, a little bit of salt, pepper. If you want a little bit more heat, maybe you can add some chipotle pepper to it as well. Or if you know, some jalapenos just to give it some heat.
Yeah.
While that's doing its thing.
That doesn't sound very Irish, though.
Well, a little heat, you know. So potatoes, back to Irish.
Yes.
I've baked off some potatoes, hollowed them out. Now I'm going to add in some red wine cheddar, some sour cream, and cream cheese.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to take this over here. We're going to give it a quick blend.
I think this one's going to be my favorite.
And that goes. Blend it all up. Finish stirring it together. We're going to add some ham now.
Yeah.
And that goes. Grab our spoon. And then I'm going to fill the potatoes with a ham and potato mixture with cheese, sour cream, and cream cheese. Do one more like this, and I'm going to check on my cabbage.
Okay. And how long do you bake those guys for?
And you're going to bake those at 350 for 25 minutes, and then just turn the broiler on for the last 2 minutes just to brown them up nicely.
Right.
And then what I'm going to do here with the cabbage is this. Now, Bob, this would take probably about 10 minutes in your pan. You want to just nicely braise it off, get it nice and brown, and that's going to bring the sugars out of the cabbage. Because, you know, when you boil cabbage, it's really bitter. So you don't want the bitter.
Yeah.
And so we're just going to take that. While that's finishing up, our coffee, you can just see, is just doing its thing.
Okay.
And then we're just going to add a little bit of whiskey.
Yeah, I got to do a shout out to my neighbor, Irish neighbor Brenda. She makes perfect Irish coffees for me, but I never watch her making them. So I'm going to watch Chef D make the perfect Irish coffee.
So we're just going to put a little bit more Kahlua in because I think it needs a little bit more Kahlua. Oh, Bob. We have our cabbage in 12 minutes. If you were keeping track and doing it at home, beautiful braised cabbage here. Just finishing the potatoes, 350 for about 20 minutes. The last 2 minutes, put it underneath the broiler. You have double baked, cheesy, great potatoes, you know, and then you can have a Guinness with it or a Waterloo Dark. And you have perfect Irish, you know, celebrating St. Paddy's Day.
Wow, great way to start our St. Patrick's Day. So we'll link up all your socials for these recipes and so much more at Chef D TV. And have fun with your new coffee maker.
I will have new fun with my new coffee maker. Hey, hope to see you real soon, okay?
Absolutely. Thanks, Chef D. Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.